How to solve Quicken American Express issues. Troubleshooting guide for common errors and syncing problems. Common Quicken American Express issues. Error messages CC-501, CC-502, OL-393-A. Duplicate or missing transactions. Unable to connect to American Express. Incorrect account balance. Two-Factor Authentication 2FA issues. Step 1. Check Quicken and Amex server status. Visit Quicken's support page to check for outages. Visit American Express website for known issues. If servers are down, wait and retry later. Step 2. Update Quicken to the latest version. Open Quicken and go to Help, right pointing arrow, check for updates. Install any available updates. Restart Quicken after updating. Step 3. Refresh account connection. Go to Tools, right pointing arrow, Account List. Select your Amex account and click Edit. Navigate to Online Services, right pointing arrow, Reset account. Follow the on-screen instructions. Step 4. Reactivate account. Deactivate. Go to Tools, right pointing arrow, Account List, right pointing arrow, Edit, right pointing arrow, Online Services, right pointing arrow, Deactivate. Reactivate. Click Add account, right pointing arrow, select Amex, right pointing arrow, enter credentials. Follow the prompts to relink your account. Step 5. Fix common error codes. CC-501, CC-502. Wait 24 hours and retry. CC-506. Delete and re-add your Amex account. OL-393-A. Ensure your login credentials are correct. Step 6. Fix duplicate or missing transactions. Delete duplicate transactions manually. Manually refresh transactions by clicking Update Now. Ensure correct sync settings in Quicken. Step 7. Check Two-Factor Authentication 2FA. Ensure third-party app access is enabled in Amex security settings. If prompted repeatedly for codes, try disabling 2FA temporarily. Reconnect your Amex account, then re-enable 2FA. When to contact support. If issues persist after troubleshooting, contact Quicken Support, quicken.com/support. American Express Support, americanexpress.com. Conclusion. Fix your Quicken Amex issues. Keep Quicken updated for smooth functionality. Refresh or reconnect your Amex account if sync issues occur. Follow troubleshooting steps for error codes and 2FA issues. Contact support if problems persist. Thank you.